In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Robinhood's customer support. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we want to do is open up a web browser and go to pissconsumer.com. Now, go ahead and click into there. And then once you're on their site, you want to click on the search bar or the search icon and then type in Robinhood here, like so. Make sure to spell it correctly, Robinhood. And now you want to click on Robinhood. Time of recording, it's got about 13,000 reviews. All right, so we're going to scroll down once we're on here, and then we'll see reviews, Q&A, and contacts tab. Click on contacts. Advertisement might appear. Just click out of the advertisement, and then from here, scroll down. And now this is where Robinhood's phone numbers will be placed, or you'll be able to see their number here. At the moment, they don't have a phone number to call, but if we scroll down there, we got customer service, so you can email their customer service team on this number, sorry, on this email, or if you got investors or franchising here, or legal. So yeah, these are the details